And you're next. Can you please stand up?
Good evening, Mr. County Executive. My name is Ronnie Galvin.
You bring company, I can see. All right, everybody stand up. Everybody who's with him.
I'm the new executive director with Impact Silver Spring, trying to fill the shoes of Frank B. Blackburn. We're grateful that you're here tonight because these are tough times. And you could, like some of your colleagues in other parts of the country, be hiding behind desks, and you're here.
I thought about that.
I know you did. But you're here talking with us during these tough times. 2 years ago, you put out a call. You said the people of our county need to come together to support each other during these tough economic times. And with folks like Uma from the Department of HHS, we formed a campaign called the Neighbors Campaign, now known as the Neighborhood Opportunity Network. We knocked on 10,000 doors. 7,500 people went to the emergency service centers, community service centers that were formed during your administration. We had 5,000 one-on-one conversations with folks. And we brought thousands of folks out into the community, and they are now learning how to take care of each other in the context of mutual support and accountability during these tough times. Emergency services is great, and we've created a lot of momentum around that during these tough times, and people are getting connected to those resources to help them through these tough times. But we believe that we can do even better if we can take the momentum that we've created by organizing all of the people of goodwill in our county around emergency services and linking that to an effort to organize our resources around economic development, job creation, workforce development, so that we can link those two to create a better and more sustainable solution for folks who are trying to get on a pathway to economic self-sufficiency. And the good news is that the folks in the neighborhoods where we've been working aren't waiting on us to come up with a solution. They're already forming English circles in the lobbies of their buildings. They're already teaching each other how to learn computers. And I'm hoping we could join with the momentum that they've created to organize our economic development resources, link them with the HHS resources, and create a more sustainable solution for folks who are trying to get on a pathway to economic empowerment.
I got you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much.
This is a
And I would
statement you had,
simply say-
no question. You have a question, quick question, so that I can go back to the back of the room.
Buenas noches, mi nombre es Rosa Sánchez y vivo en Tacoma Park.
Good evening, my name is Rosa Sanchez and I live in Tacoma Park.
Okay, mi preocupación es trabajos.
My concern is about jobs.
Okay. Yo trabajo en Wilson
I work in Wheaton,
para el Departamento de Salud con la señora Uma, pero
Department of Health, under Uma's supervision.
pero mi preocupación es esta. Yo les digo a las personas donde hay recursos, pero
My concern is the following. I tell people where the resources are,
el trabajo, ¿dónde están los trabajos?
but the jobs, where are the jobs?
So, mi preocupación son los trabajos. So, ¿qué usted va a hacer para ayudar a las personas que no tenemos trabajo en este momento?
My concern is about jobs. What are you going to do about creating jobs for people that do not have a job right now?
Thank you for your question.
Thank you.
If you look at the job situation in Montgomery County, we're just over 5.1, 5.2% of unemployment. If you look around the entire state and the nation, we are well below the national and the state average. I would like to tell you that we have within our resources, our ability to hugely impact the unemployment that you see occurring in this nation. But much of that is a result of the national economy, really the international economy, as it relates to construction jobs that have left this country, as it relates to the housing industry, and a variety of other things that are not there. Despite all of that, we are making significant efforts in Montgomery County to fill those jobs. We just approved a White Flint master plan that would bring a huge number of jobs in the White Flint area. We just approved also a master plan for a new science city that would bring 40 to 50,000 jobs. and a variety of other things that we're initiated in the state and in the county and work with the state. Those will take a little bit of time, but I think when you look at Montgomery County compared to other places, we are well ahead of the curve on jobs, but it will take something beyond Montgomery County that will spur the overall national economy in order for us to get all of those jobs back down to the level that we were before, which is about 2.5% or 3% unemployment, which in many ways is full employment.
We'll take a question from here, from the back, from the
Overflow room. If you would come over here, sir. Stand over here.
Hi, I'm Michael Ward. I work with the YMCA here in Montgomery